Welcome to the episode 10 of the coin flip trading, the trading strategy we use in order to determine the direction of the trade solely based on the coin flip. You get heads, you buy, you get tails, you sell. It's as simple as that. And it's actually the 10th episode, and we decided that after 10th episode we're going to make a summary to see what really happened, to see kind of like a really glimpse of the strategy, if it works or not. So it's going to be kind of interesting. And the topic for this video is going to be the concept of pips and how we use this kind of stuff. I mean, it's kind of a little bit more basic, but I'm just going to have to address it anyway in this video. So by definition, a pip is the smallest unit of price for any currency. It doesn't matter which currency pair you are trading, there is always the amount that we measure by pips. Just like I said in the previous episode, which was about the profits and how much you can expect, we don't really talk about the cash results, but rather pips and percentage returns. And the pip is actually the smallest change in the price, usually in the last decimal of the price. So it's like if you take a look at the euro dollar pair, it's actually the fourth decimal. So 0.0001 is 1 pip. Now, why is this important for this strategy? Well, we take a look at the ATR, and ATR pretty much gives you the result in pips. That means that if I take a look at this ATR and says, for example, 25 or whatever else, it means 25 pips, 25 smallest units that the chart has moved on average. And we also use that number to determine and set the stop loss as well as the take profit levels. It's again a couple of pips away, a couple of small units away from where the price currently is. And the amount or the length of the stop loss or take profit is determined by the ATR, which is again pips, the smallest units. So that's why I kind of wanted to go deep into this a little bit, even though it's a little bit basic, but okay, let's finally get into the trading. So for this, I chose again the Forex pair. I think that we're just gonna stick with that. And today we just go with the euro dollar. I mean, we're just gonna go basic, nothing special about it. Again, we have to determine the direction based on the coin flip. And as you can see, it is heads. That means that we are buying. So let's just set everything up. And of course, take a look at the ATR to find out the amount of pips and all of the stuff I just talked about. And let's just set the stop loss, take profit, and just buy and wait for the trade to happen. We just need to wait for the notification to pop up that we either made money or lost money in this trade. So just like all the time, I'm gonna update you after it's done to see what really happened, and we can finally make a summary. So as you can see, the trade ended up in the negative. That means that we lost money on that one. And as you know, and if you watched the previous videos, that means that we ended up at a break even pretty much. 5 trades were successful, 5 trades didn't really work. That means that we are at break even, we didn't lose money. I mean, the point of trading is to make money. But this is a great strategy so far, just because it didn't like wipe out our entire account. I will definitely keep on continuing. I mean, I'm definitely will still do some stuff like this. In the future, I will continue with the coin flip. So make sure to stay tuned to subscribe. 10 trades is still not enough to really know. I mean, it really depends on the bigger number on the long game. So that's just going to be very interesting. So far, I'm glad that we didn't lose any money, and hopefully we're going to end up being profitable at the end. So let's just keep going. Plus, you can also get ready for some other trading videos. That means, for example, testing out some other very simple strategy besides the coin flip. That means some simple moving averages signal that you get in every mobile app, and something that doesn't take a lot of learning and experience to see what you can really get and what type of results you can actually expect with these simple trading strategies. So make sure to subscribe and never miss future uploads. Thanks a lot for watching, and let's keep going.